So we wanted to find an avenue where we can use this technology to improve the lives and improve the proficiency of something. So we found that manufacturing training is it's a very standardized procedure, and we found many ways that it can be improved through technology.
The main challenge was initially like everyone wants to set out to do their own things, not knowing what other difficulties that other team might face.
We are making a controller so that the user can interact with the AR environment so that it won't disrupt their assembly workflow.
Something very unique about SUTD is this emphasis on collaboration across the disciplines. So in our first year, regardless of what subject you end up doing, ultimately everybody shares this common foundation.
Help to improve the awareness, build the awareness of design thinking and the design process that we teach in schools, so that the companies can actually benefit from the design process that we have.
We always look to solve engineering problems, and engineering problems may not always be what the world needs. It's not simply like formulas, oh, I managed to solve this equation, but like how this equation can impact people.
So all in all, this solution is supposed to provide users with more dimensions, more ways to understand whatever instructions they're being given. Importantly, I feel that RGA helps us with trying to broaden our perspective, and they always want us to do more than what we aim to achieve.
We tend to overthink our solution and increase the complexity of the problem instead of solving it. As we speak to industry partners or interview certain companies, we realize there's actually a more easier way out. Because of the experience in the field and everything, there's actually a lot of solutions out there that are a lot easier and cheaper, even without the use of technology.
And so I find it really energizing to come here with Laurent and go through all the startups that SUTD have, because those are the ideas that could solve real-world business problems.
We are here to bring our business expertise to the students.
I think working with rural practitioners help us to understand better what are the more relevant skills and knowledge, and also it's quite interesting to see how different stakeholders view the same project from different perspectives.
But space, so it's really about strategizing what they are doing, making sure that it makes sense from a business perspective.
I hope what they get from us is a shared value of hustle. We like to think our values are about hustling, about collaboration, empowerment, as well as the competition, looking at creativity and imagination as part of it. Adaptability is one of the most important things. So things will change very quickly, and you have to be adaptable and flexible enough to shift. And you're constantly iterating. You're never this is the end product.
Usually a young person joining RGA will look for leadership that is inspiring, but at the same time there is a reverse effect that is necessary and they don't always know, but we want to be inspired by them as well.
In RGA, everyone's very friendly, and you really feel like they are family. I think it is because of this atmosphere that there's so many crazy ideas coming out from RGA, because everyone appreciates all these little ideas that you have. As an intern from the technology department, we are not supposed to be the creatives in the market, but because of this atmosphere in RGA, I feel even as an engineer, I can be a designer, I can be creative.